In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts with custom properties into HubSpot CRM. This process is critical for keeping your contact list organized and tailored to your needs, ensuring that all the specific details you require are precisely where you need them. So, let's dive into each step and make your import seamless. Firstly, if you haven't done so already, you'll want to create any custom properties that your contacts might have. This happens in the Settings section under Properties, then Contact Properties. You might have specific data points you want to track, like a customer's favorite product. To do this, click on Create Property. Specify the type, whether it's text, date, or a dropdown, and give it a clear, descriptive name. Remember, planning these details in advance ensures that when you import, HubSpot will know exactly where to map your data. Next up, let's prepare your import file. You'll need a single-sheet CSV or Excel file, where the top row lists all your property names, such as email, first name, or favorite product. It's crucial to include either an email or a HubSpot record ID for deduplication purposes. If certain fields don't apply to some of your contacts, it's perfectly fine to leave those cells blank. They won't overwrite any existing data in HubSpot. A few formatting tips to keep in mind. For dates, use consistent formats like 2023, 1028, 10/28/23, or even Octi 28/2023. If you're working with dropdowns, make sure that the values exactly match the existing option labels. For multiple checkboxes, separate the options with semicolons for seamless integration. Now, to start your import, navigate to your contacts, then click on Import or find Import and Export in your settings. Choose Start Import, select File from Computer, and specify Contacts as your choice. Then, simply upload your prepared file. When your file is uploaded, HubSpot will attempt to automatically map your file headers to corresponding contact properties. If there's any unrecognized column, don't worry. You can create a new property on the spot to cater to the data. You'll then set your import options by choosing whether to create and update contacts or just create new ones. Use either email or record ID to handle duplicates correctly. Additionally, if you wish to preserve existing data, make sure to select the option to avoid overwriting existing values. At this stage, confirm all date or number formats to ensure everything aligns correctly. As we approach the end, give your import a descriptive name. It could be something like Imported Contacts, May 2025. Agree to any terms as required, and click Finish Import. HubSpot will process the file and give you a detailed view of which rows were successful and if any encountered errors. Finally, review your newly imported data by visiting the Contacts section and checking a few records to ensure your custom fields have populated as expected. If you experienced any errors during the import, HubSpot allows you to download a detailed report so you can fix and re-import those specific entries. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to smoothly importing your contacts into HubSpot with all your custom properties intact. Happy organizing!